Hey guys, so a new mid-range device from TCL called the K70 Power has been leaked. While the official release date of this device is unknown, its specs has been leaked. Now, these specs that I'm about to share with you guys, I don't know if they're correct or not, so please take them with a pinch of salt. So with that out of the way, let's quickly explore the top details of this device. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the TCL K70 Power keep things clean and practical, but with a premium twist. The front is dominated by a large 6.75-inch display with a centered punch hole camera, slim bezels, and rounded corners that makes the phone feel modern despite its budget positioning. Flip it around and the back is where TCL adds character. You get a silicone polymer eco leather finish, which not only looks classy but also improves grip and resists fingerprints better than glossy plastic. The dual camera module sits in a neat rectangular island with a subtle metallic sheen, giving the phone a more refined look than you'd expect at this price. And with IP64 dust and splash resistance, the K70 Power is also built to survive everyday mishaps. Yes, it's a bit hefty at 215 grams, but that weight mostly comes from what matters most here, which is the battery. Now, on the front, you're getting the 6.75-inch IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which is quite nice for this price segment. Brightness peaks at 750 nits, so outdoor visibility should be solid. The trade-off is resolution, which is just HD+, but the device is expected to be very affordable. Powering the TCL K70 Power is the MediaTek Helio G100 Turbo, which is a 6nm processor paired with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The phone is also expected to ship Android 16 out of the box, which is nice. You also get micro SD card expansion. Now, in the camera department, the device features a dual rear camera setup, which includes a 50MP main sensor and a basic 0.08MP macro lens. Video recording is capped at 1080p at 30fps. On the front, there's an 8MP selfie camera, which is good enough for video calls, social media, and casual selfies. Now, the phone, as I mentioned earlier, packs a large battery, which makes it a little bit heavy. The battery is a 6500 mAh cell, which means 2 days of use is very realistic, and it supports 33 watts fast charging. Other features include stereo speakers, a 3.5mm headphone jack, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, and global GPS support. You also get a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. And as regarding the price, the device is expected to cost about $300 when it's launched. But of course, it's still going to depend on your region. Prices would vary based on where you're located. So these are the top features of the TCL K70 Power. As I said earlier, these are based on leaks and rumors, so please do not take them seriously. They may not be entirely correct. But anyways, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.